question number 3, if you see, we need to put these signs wherever is greater, then greater to sign, and then if both the sides are equal, that time we'll put equal to sign. If you see here, the first one is written 1/2 and 1. 1/2 is considered as half. So half is smaller always, right? And one more thing I told, that whenever the given fraction is proper fraction, that is numerator is less than 1, that time that is considered as smaller and 1 is considered as the greater one. Similarly in 3/5 and 1 also, if you see here, 3/5 is a proper fraction and this is 1. So all the fractions which are proper fractions, they are considered as less than 1. So therefore here also 1 is greater. You can simply write directly also, or if you want to solve and check, that time you can solve and check. You can see here, if any side it is 1 given, we will put down side 1, cross multiplication we will do, and if you see it is coming here 2, it is coming here 1, so 2 is greater, so this side. Similarly you can solve 3/5 and 1, okay, putting in denominator 1 and then doing cross multiplication and so on. If you see this question, it is written 1 here, 7/8. So numerator is smaller than denominator, proper fraction, again this is less than 1, and here also 1 will be greater. So all those number where it is proper fraction, that time it is considered as less than 1 and 1 is the greater sign. Then if you see here, it is written 4/4. 4/4 is equal to 1, right? Because when you will cut this 4, both are 1. And as I told you in question number 2 also, when a fraction is considered equal to 1, when numerator and denominator both are same. The number given in numerator and denominator, when they are same, that time it is considered to equal to 1. So we will put here equal to sign. What about the last one? 2005/1. So I mean the other side it is 1. So this is also 1 will be no. If you see here, you will just divide this 1 both the side and equal to 1. Clear? So just one thing we need to keep in mind, that when numerator and denominator both are same, that time the given fraction is equal to 1. And when the numerator and denominator in which numerator is smaller, that time the given fraction is less than 1. Here we have completed question number 3 also in the given try these of page number 138.